Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Will you please turn on your camera?
1 minute, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, absolutely. Will you tell
Ma'am, I'm not able to change my name.
No issues, no problem.
Ma'am,
Will you tell me your name?
Ma'am, my name is Lasya.
Lasya. Very interesting name.
Thank you, ma'am.
But will you please fix your camera in one place? Like I can see only half of your face. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. So Lasya, where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hyderabad, Telangana. So you must be speaking Kannada as well?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you don't speak Kannada?
Ma'am, I don't speak Kannada.
Then how many languages you can speak?
Languages.
Sorry?
Languages.
Sorry, voice is little unclear. How many languages you said?
Speak only 2 languages.
2 languages. First one is English and another one?
Telugu.
Telugu. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Kannada is like Bangalore's language, not Hyderabad's language. Sorry. I got confused. So how to say hi in Telugu?
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
How to say hi or namaste in Telugu? Or how are you in Telugu?
మీరు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు?
Oh my god, that's difficult for me. Okay. And Lasya, how old are you?
Ma'am, I am 12 to 13 years old, ma'am.
12 to 13 years. What is 12 to 13 years?
Well running, ma'am.
Okay, so you have completed 12 years and 13 is running.
No, ma'am.
12th year is running.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and which grade?
I'm 7th grade, ma'am.
7th grade. Wonderful. Did you had your classes today?
No, ma'am.
No, it was off.
Yes, ma'am. Today is holiday, ma'am.
Holiday.
Ma'am.
Saturday, Sunday is an off.
No, ma'am.
Then
Today is
why?
second Saturday.
Oh, otherwise you have your classes on Saturday as well.
Ma'am.
Oh, is it too hectic for you?
No, ma'am.
No, you like studying.
Ma'am.
Studio style, huh? So apart from studies, what do you do last year? Any extracurricular activities?
Ma'am, I play shuttle, ma'am.
Ah,
I draw pictures, ma'am.
okay.
And
Pictures.
I like to watch TV.
And what do you watch on TV? Serials?
Ma'am. Animations.
Animations. Which is your excuse me? Which is your favorite one?
I don't know, ma'am, because I have too many favorites.
That's a very clever answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
So and with whom you play in your home? At your home?
Yes, ma'am. I play at my home.
With whom? Means how do you
I will
spend
play
your
my brother, ma'am.
with your brother? What sort of games you play?
Normal car games, toy games.
Okay. So if you what is Kai game? I do not know that game. Is it an indoor game?
Ma'am.
How do we play it?
Cars, ma'am.
On cards?
No, ma'am. With cars.
Oh, with cars. Okay, that's nice. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Just confirm to me whether it's visible to you or not. Alright? Okay, one question before that. Lasya, what's the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, my name is Kailasya.
K. Lasya. So what is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is the dance of Parvati.
Oh, wow. And who named you? Very innovative name.
Yes, ma'am.
Who named you? Who gave you this name? Your mother or your father?
I don't know, ma'am. I think both of them.
Both of them. So you will ask your mama and papa that whose idea was that, because it's a very very unique name. Okay. So you know, Lasya, what is a tongue twister?
No, ma'am.
So tongue twisters are basically meant to twist your tongue. Means they are group of words which is very difficult to say sometimes if we try to say it very fastly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here is a one tongue twister for you. Will you read this for me?
If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch?
Now can you say this for the fast 5 times fastly?
Two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? If two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? Two witches were watching two watches, which would watch which watch? Two witches were watching two watches, which would watch two watches?
Wonderful. So it's a big thumbs up for you. Do you like eating chocolates?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Do you like eating chocolates?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is your favorite one?
Ma'am, Cadbury Dairy Milk.
It's my favorite too. You shouldn't have taken that name. It's mouth watering. If I keep dairy milk in front of you, will you be able to resist yourself?
Yes, ma'am. A little bit.
Little bit. If I ask you to resist for 5 minutes, will you be able to?
Oh, ma'am, I will maybe resist for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. You know what? I cannot resist even for 3 minutes. It's so mouth watering, right? So
Ma'am.
so if we both sit together and we have a dairy milk in front of us, we are not going to get it.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see this picture here?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a picture of a classroom. Very funny classroom. All right. So everything is very haphazard in here. If you look at the picture carefully, you will see that the students are randomly doing something. Now, your work is that you have to see this picture for 30 minutes clearly. Okay? Then you have to tell me what are the absurd or weird things happening in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? For 30 seconds, focus on the entire picture. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will start off with the teacher itself. What is she doing?
The teacher is a ballerina dancer, and she is dancing and telling the lessons.
Okay. And not telling the lessons, but giving the lecture or giving the lessons.
Ma'am.
Okay. And what are these words? Even the alphabets are?
Crystal, ma'am.
No, the alphabets. It's flying in the air.
Yes, ma'am.
Does the words from your book also flies?
No, ma'am.
You must be thinking, ma'am is asking such a silly question, no?
No, ma'am.
No. Do you watch magic shows?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe in
Often.
magic? Often.
Ma'am.
Do you believe in magic shows?
No, ma'am.
Then how does it happen? You know, there are certain magicians who exceptionally does a good magic. So if there is no magic, then what do they do?
We play tricks with our mind, ma'am, sometimes.
Yes, they play tricks with our mind. So smart girl you are.
Yeah.
Okay, and what next? What is the next weird thing you see?
Ma'am, there is a cactus in the class.
Yes. And next?
The globe is in cube shape. Instead of
Yeah.
being spherical in shape, it is in cube shape.
It's in cubicle shape.
And next, there is a grandpa in the house.
This is the grandpa. What is he doing?
He is watching a picture.
No, he's eating. Shall I zoom in for you? Oh, so sorry. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now more clear to you? So grandpa is eating.
Yes, ma'am.
When you grow up, will you go to school?
Ma'am, can you repeat again, ma'am? There is a lot of disturbance.
From my side? Okay, give me a second. I will just slow down my fan. Just give me a second, okay? Yeah, noises. I guess there is no disturbance now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So grandpa is eating in the class. Will you do the same?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat in class?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not during the recess period, but during the class.
I won't eat during the class.
Secretly? Secretly? Secretly?
Yes, ma'am. I have snacked a few chocolates.
When your mama cooks very delicious food, do you secretly eat during class?
Yes, ma'am. Always.
Always. And your teacher doesn't caught you? Even I used to do that. When teacher turns around, I used to gallop the few items and then start listening to him and around.
Yes, ma'am. Me too. I also would do it.
We all do that. Okay. And what about this boy? What is he holding?
And he brought binoculars in the class.
And what does binocular do?
It helps us to see far things.
Yeah, far things. And about this girl? What about this girl?
This girl is sitting on a tree trunk, ma'am.
Yes. There's a specific word for that. Do you know?
I don't know, ma'am. I haven't heard of it.
T trunk is correct. Trunk is basically when the wood is very longer in size, but the shorter ones are called the log. When tree trunk is cut into pieces, it's called log. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And what about this guy? This is my favorite guy.
He brought an umbrella to the class.
And
The rain is falling on him only.
him only and no one else.
Ma'am.
How is the weather in Hyderabad?
It's pretty sunny and cloudy, ma'am.
Sunday? What is Sunday?
Ma'am, it's sunny and cloudy.
Okay, it's sunny and cloudy.
Ma'am.
I mean, how is that possible? It's sunny and
And
cloudy.
Yes, ma'am. There's a sun and clouds.
Clear clouds,
No, ma'am.
black clouds.
A little bit black clouds.
So how often does it rain?
I don't know, ma'am. Maybe once a week.
Once a week only.
I don't know, ma'am. I didn't capture that.
You didn't notice.
Yes, ma'am.
No issues. So now this girl.
Ma'am, she is sitting on a chair with no
Legs.
hands, ma'am.
Legs. It's called legs. And what about this girl? This is Lasya, enjoying to the fullest. No? I can't hear you. Your voice is not coming. Just mute and then unmute yourself. Mute and unmute. Yes. Yes. Maybe audible now. Try to speak something.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, perfectly. So what about this girl?
That is not. She is singing in the class, ma'am.
In between the class.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about this two studious boys?
Ma'am, they are reading the books which are upside down.
This is not noticeable by everyone. Good that you observed. Good. And the plant.
Ma'am, it's a plant that gives ice cream instead of flowers.
You love ice cream?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can pluck one ice cream and eat.
I will do it by now, ma'am.
Okay, and what about this aquarium?
There are no fishes, ma'am. Instead, there is a meat ball, maybe.
It's called sausage.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Sausage, and it's basically filled with meat, flesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Last thing you missed from here.
Ma'am, it's not a door. I think it's.
What is it then?
I don't know, ma'am.
It's a door. Have you heard about submarine?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a submarine door.
Yes, ma'am.
What is submarine? Will you tell me?
Ma'am, it's a boat, ma'am, that goes under deep into the water without allowing any water to escape inside.
Get inside. And what is it used for?
Underground, below the water levels.
Yes, that's right. It is used to go underwater. But what is the purpose of submarine? I will give you a hint. It is used by army and soldiers.
Yes, ma'am. It is used to attack.
Yes, also attack and to keep an eye on who is entering, I mean, the Indian territory or something. So any country uses this for the safeguarding. Does this picture anyway resemble your school classes?
No, ma'am.
No, nothing is common.
Except one thing, ma'am.
What?
A grandpa eating.
This is common?
Eating is common, ma'am, but grandpa is not common.
Alright. Have
And
you
the
ever?
boys reading the books upside down.
This is common.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever done this?
Which one, ma'am?
Like holding the book upside down?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why? Out of anxiety, you have done this?
No, ma'am. By mistakenly, I have done it, ma'am.
By mistake. Okay. So now that you don't like magics, we will give you a wish. I'm just putting it on full screen. So giving you 5 wishes, Lasya. Okay. You have to choose one of them. Then I will tell you the next step. Will you read this?
Yes, ma'am. This is Q in One Fairy. She loves kids. She is going to grant your wish one day. One wish today. Choose a wish from the following and give reasons from your choice.
Hmm.
You
Now,
can have first one. You can have a magical plate which will give you unlimited supply of your favorite dishes. You can have a flying carpet which you can use to travel anywhere around the world. One, you can have a magical wardrobe which will have the most stylish dresses.
mm-hmm.
You can have a talking pet to be a companion.
Mm-hmm.
You can have a big mansion in the clouds to live in.
Which one will you choose?
Second one.
Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is everybody's favorite.
Ma'am.
And why so?
Ma'am, because there is no smoke, ma'am, from the car or something.
I didn't get you exactly.
Safe to nature, ma'am.
Oh, that's very innovative. So you didn't think about yourself, that you mostly you can ignore the noise, okay? This train was going to Hyderabad.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you visited any place out of Hyderabad?
Yes, ma'am.
Which places? You don't remember. Where you were very small by then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many times you have said ma'am, Maybe 100.
No, ma'am, I think at least 20, 21.
No 20, not only 20. At least 50 times. We will count. I will count now. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No issues. Okay. So now that you have chosen a flying carpet for yourself, so to get this wish fulfilled, there is one condition. And the condition is, what is the condition? I can't hear you. Again, mute and unmute yourself. Sorry, mute and unmute yourself. Yes, I can hear you. So you
Now
have.
that you have fulfilled your wish, it can be only fulfilled if you use your wish gift to help others first. Who will you help and how?
Now tell me.
Ma'am, I have gave the reason already, ma'am.
Okay, so that was your reason. So will you frame your answer in a proper sentence for me?
Ma'am, I use my gift to help reduce the greenhouse gases and save our humanity.
Not exactly humanity. To save humans or human beings. Humanity means humble nature. Again, I can't hear you. Why is it happening? Um, you can you mute yourself and then unmute?
Hello?
Yes, can hear you now. Are you accidentally pressing any button?
No, ma'am.
I don't know why it's happening. Anyways, let's play a game.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Which is your favorite mode of transport?
Favorite airplane, ma'am.
Aeroplane. Why so? I can't hear you again. Now unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Don't mute, unmute, okay? Wait for some time, wait.
This one.
Teacher, you're able to hear us?
Yes, I can hear.
So she's not doing anything. I don't know why it's going off.
I don't know. In between, I was not able to hear her at all.
She's doing like this always. So might be she's touching something. Okay.
Maybe some issue with the speaker.
And
Okay.
please study, okay? Otherwise,
Okay. So can we see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here are the 5 sequences, 5 steps. And these are not in sequence. You have to put them in sequence and make a story. Okay. First read all 5 of them. Then tell me which one will be
He
the first.
picked up some milk. Jason drove to the store. Jason paid the cashier. He went into the store. He parked his car.
Now, which one will be the first?
Jason drove to the store.
Next one.
Parked his car. Went into the store. Picked some milk. Jason paid the cashier.
Right. Okay. Will you solve one more?
Think of an idea. Check it over for mistakes. Write your story. Turn it into your teacher. Correct any errors. Think of an idea. Write your story.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, the page got refreshed. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Got a large knife. Terry picked out a pumpkin. She placed the candle on the inside. Mary lit the candle. She carved a face into it. Terry picked out a pumpkin. Got a large knife. Carved a face into it. Mary lit the candle. He placed the candle on the inside.
Something went wrong.
The fourth one should come into the last place, ma'am.
Nice work. So, what is your favorite part of learning? You like writing or speech work Grammar. What you like the most? Speech. You do not like to write.
No, my handwriting is not really good.
It's not about handwriting. It's about, I mean, thinking and then writing. I mean, about the creativity.
I do also like that, ma'am.
Sometimes, not much. Shall I give you one topic to talk? Tell me that is it necessary to wear school uniforms?
Ma'am,
Why? Tell me negative and some positive points of wearing a school uniform. Your voice again, I can't hear you.
ma'am,
Yes, 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 coming.
There is a sentences fully.
Yeah, tell me some positive and negative points of wearing a school uniform.
ma'am, the school uniform is a little bit hard to wear.
Why it's hard to wear? I mean,
Ma'am,
is it time?
because it's a long process. Wearing the ties, bows. Some people don't know how to wear shoelaces also, ma'am.
Oh, not wear, but how to tie shoelaces. So that's why. So
A school uniform represent the school, ma'am.
first positive points, or what you would like to start with? Positive points or negative points?
2 points, ma'am.
Okay, so the first positive point of wearing a school uniform is
It represents our school.
okay, that's great. Second one,
Second one. One minute, ma'am. Can you give me a second?
yeah, please.
Ma'am, I am out of ideas.
Okay, shall I help you? Can I help you? So one idea is that suppose in a school there are many students who are poor. They don't have many clothes to wear, and some are rich. Some have nice clothes to wear. So when there is a school uniform, everyone is going to wear the same dress, right? So that way, even if someone does not have a cloth, they won't feel bad because school is a place to study, right? What you are wearing is doesn't matter much. So same clothes brings unity. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. I don't know why it's happening. My voice is clear to you? You can hear me? Unmute. Now
Yes,
speak.
ma'am. I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. Yeah, so it brings unity.
Yes, ma'am. The school uniform brings unity.
Perfect. And the negative points of wearing a school uniform?
And we need to buy all the things for wearing the uniform.
We have to buy. Okay. And the second thing you said, that's a time consuming process.
Yes, ma'am.
That's correct. Okay, smart girl. Any more points you have?
No, ma'am. That's it.
That's it. I'm so sorry. Which is your favorite subject?
And my favorite subject is science.
Not English.
No, ma'am. Not much.
That's a bad news for me. No issue. Okay, Lasya, can I have a word with your father?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir. So I was having a session. It was really nice with her. She has a good command over English. It's not that. What is your expectation? I would like to know that. What improvements you want in her
So
from
you might
us?
have observed some, I mean, some negative points, right? Okay,
Yes.
like she is unable to complete the sentences, unable to frame the sentences. So she is technically good. I know that. Okay, but at the same point of time, the way she communicates, the way she presents, the has to be improved a lot. Okay, that's what I believe. Okay.
Well, one thing about her, as you have said, the same thing which I have noticed about her as well, that has a good command over English. But when it comes to delivering the thoughts which she has in her mind,
Exactly.
that's
She has a lot
presentation.
of things in her mind. Okay, but
Yeah, focus. There is lack of focus in her because even while I was also observing her body language. She was like moving and constantly. It happens. It's very genuine thing which happens with child. So she needs to focus on whatever she is doing. Even if when we are speaking, we need to focus. We should not hurry up while speaking. And so that's the little personality development thing basically.
and
So,
listening to the tutor or listening also is an important thing. Okay, so whenever there is a question or something, first of all she has to listen carefully and she has to
yes.
understand the question properly. If she is having some doubt, maybe she can ask the question to be repeated. Okay, but she is not listening properly. Also, I know that. Okay, so maybe though she listens, also the problem here is. I mean, she cannot understand the things quickly. The questions basically, okay. So she's having see she can put a couple of answers for single question in her mind, okay. But she is unable to express come out with single answer very promptly, or I mean, she is unable to frame the sentences. Whatever she is having in her mind, she is unable to put it present. That's the problem.
Sir, it's not necessary that she has to answer very promptly. Because she is a child, she can take her own time to frame the answer and then deliver what is she doing. The one thing she needs to focus on her that when she is speaking, she should not speak in a very speed manner. She should
Exactly.
she should keep that space because she is a child. She need to think in her mind, right?
Asya, come here. Yes, yes,
She
yes,
need to
madam.
keep that. So more about spoken English. She needs to means I personally think that she needs to cover on her little soft skills. That will help her because her English is good. Her command over English is good. Her vocabulary is at her age it's probably good. We can work on her vocabulary as well because that way her sentence construction and whatever she is saying will be more expressing for her. Grammar is perfect, no issues with that. One thing, I think her soft skills need to be not. I think, but I am more confirmed that she needs to groomed on her soft skills. That her body language will be good, her listening capacity will be good, her answer delivering capacity will be good. It's not that we need to work on her English. It's that we need to work on how to say it properly.
Exactly, exactly. That's what the
So
expectation.
we have
I'm
a
having.
different curriculum for that. I mean, for
Yeah,
personality
she's a,
development.
I know she is a talented girl, okay, and she is technically very good. I mean, not only
Yes.
I'm not talking about English. When it comes to science, maths, other subjects, okay, she is
Mm-hmm.
technically good. She always participates in a lot of uh, things like
Activities.
elocutions, maybe speech, and drawing competitions, dance competitions. She always participates in all of them, okay. But
That's nice.
only she is lacking is she is unable to present herself. That's the only problem.
Okay. So no issues with that. We
It's base
will.
of matter, right? So, 99 answers for questions, but if you are able to express only 40 answers, then that's really waste, right?
Yes, I got it.
That's the problem.
So in
I'm not
here
looking for
also,
any grammar. I'm not looking for any vocabulary or something. I want her to. I want to
soft
make her
skills
to
development you want.
development. She has to express the things. She should be able to frame the sentences in a proper way, and she should be able to deliver it. Okay?
I got it.
Whatever the situation, let us say if there is a group of people speaking, yes, she should be able to deliver. Okay, if
The
there is only one
confidence.
person with whom we are interacting, she should be able to deliver. Okay,
That's
if she is going to speak to children, in that way she has to deliver. Okay? If she is going to speak with a political person or an important official, she should be able to deliver in that way. Okay? So there should be modulations. The way of delivery should be different. That's it.
her body language should change according to the people she's
Exactly.
interacting with.
That's the only expectation I'm having.
Yeah.
I am not bothered about vocabulary. I'm not bothered about grammar or something, whatever it may be. Okay?
No, she does not need much.
Knows the answers, but she's unable to present.
So you have chosen that spoken English course, but spoken English course is not basically suitable for her. We have a personality development or what is called the soft skills classes for course specifically for that. So soft skills for younger children for every age group we have. So it will be more suitable. Not will be, but this is more suitable for her basically. So when
Okay,
you
so
will
instead of spoken English, so what will be taught in the spoken English program, madam? Actually, I
You are-
wanted to understand.
same
Okay.
thing what you are looking for. Same thing what you are looking for. Her delivering way, her body language, her way of thinking, her focusing, how to
Pronunciation.
soft skills basically.
Absolutely.
The things
Spoken
which
English,
you have,
madam. In spoken English, what they will teach? I mean, what you will teach?
in spoken English we cover everything like grammar, vocabulary, speech, writing, everything we cover.
Okay. I'm not bothering about money, but can we mix both of these two? I mean, I don't know what curriculum is there.
For that, sir, you will get a call from the academic counselor. They will call you like within 24 hours. And
So
that
your
you should have
recommendation
a
is
word with them.
it's better to move to go with soft skills, not with spoken English. Your
Yes, spoken
recommendation.
English is not for her because that will just waste your time, her time
Awesome.
basically. Soft skills is more suitable for her because that will teach her or make her learn how to deliver her speech, body language, and everything. No issue, sir. She is just a child.
She's a foodie also.
Even I am. No worries, Adasya.
Okay, that's a good suggestion, madam. Actually, this kind of session. Actually, to be honest, we have taken a session from 2 more institutes. Okay, so we are trying to find out a better.
I know there is a huge competition here
Exactly.
everywhere
But
on
this
the
kind of
internet.
suggestion no one gave. There is the anyway. That's good to hear from you. This kind of suggestion, and definitely I will have a word with my child offline. Okay.
You
And
can
I
get
will take a decision accordingly. Okay.
and you will also get a call, sir. So for any details like about the course and everything, so you can have a word with them.
Do we have any curriculum for that soft skills?
Yes. You will be sent by them. They will send you. There's
They will
another
send
team
you.
for this.
So you will be the teacher, madam, if we select soft skills, or
It again depends upon the availability and everything because there are many teachers or
I
trainers.
understand. Or is it going to be one-to-one class or group class?
It depends upon your wish. You want to go for
Okay,
one-to-one
again
or
you
a
can
group
select.
class.
What do you suggest in that also, madam? One-to-one will be better or group?
She's a frankly speaking on her face, she's a smart child, but I will suggest go for one-to-one because you know the
Okay,
attention
done,
will
no
be
issues.
more on her. Attention gets diversed in groups.
Okay, fine, madam. I'll talk to her. Okay.
Okay, all right. Bye,
Thank you,
Lasya.
madam. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.
You too. Bye.